How do you make decisions under pressure? I'm Steen Sondergaard, NATO Chief Scientist. One of my key missions is advising NATO and allies on how to prepare for future trends in science and technology. In the current era, the nature of conflict is changing. Traditionally, our adversaries have operated in physical terrain, but nowadays, warfare is increasingly playing out in our minds too. This is known as cognitive warfare. It's a strategy where information is weaponized to alter how we perceive reality or make decisions. We saw attempts of this ahead of Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine in 2022. The Kremlin deployed conflict narratives and false flags to destabilize societies and influence high-level decision-making. So, by exploiting psychological vulnerabilities, adversaries try to change attitudes of individuals, create polarization in groups, and ultimately divide societies. Understanding the hidden threat of cognitive warfare is crucial to NATO security. To read the full report on cognitive warfare, click on the link in the description.